Morning, everybody. Here's what we got. I get up pretty early in the morning. Here's come out here and work a few hours before heading off to work. Here's what we got done. The heads are on and torqued down. Got the alternator in. Got the starter. Starter is in with all the grounds are bolted to the block. I'm just checking the port alignment and everything on the manifold, and it looks good. So should be okay. And then we do have clearance. Here on the China wall. So the only thing that was a pain was actually trying to get this head installed and torqued down with the header installed. I kind of had to hold it up. But anyway, got it done. Oil filters on, no big deal there. But yeah, alternator's in. The only thing left underneath the car, I got to hook up the clutch cable. And then we'll do the headers. We'll do the headers after work tonight, and maybe set this upper intake and get some of this. I got the radiator in also, so made some pretty good progress for just being out here a couple hours in the morning. And we'll be back at it tonight. Well, we may have this fired off in a day or two. All right, guys, have a good day. Take care.